Hi everyone! So, kumusta kayo? So, for today's video, I'm going to share with you another amazing 4 companies or website na nag-o-offer ng mga work-from-home jobs or roles na perfect sa mga newbies out there or wala pang experience. Very competitive yung mga salary na ina-offer nila. This is 100% work-from-home setup and maganda din yung benefits na ina-offer nila. So, if you want to know more about this website and company, stay tuned until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss na information. Let's get started!
So guys, don't forget to hit that like button and also syempre subscribe and share it to your friends or family na nangangailangan ng video na to.
First in our list is the Freedom Gig, a company that connects remote workers with entrepreneurs worldwide. Their mission is to help VAs enjoy the remote lifestyle and find their true talents and skills to support entrepreneurs. So they want their VAs to enjoy time flexibility, fun while working, and of course, grow through experience. Ano yung mga available position na ino-offer ni Freedom Gig? Isa na dyan yung sales, general virtual assistant, project manager, personal assistant to CEO. Meron din silang marketing, video editor, social media manager, real estate VA. Meron ding bookkeeping, executive VA, copywriting, and more. Ano mga benefits na ino-offer ni Freedom Gig? First one, of course, you'll have the opportunity to work with inspiring entrepreneurs across UK, US, and Australia. Of course, this is also flexible schedule, and you can work from anywhere while aligning with UK, and USA time zone. Okay, they also offer competitive pay per hour with also opportunity for overtime and allowing dedicated earners to make around $1,000 per month. So, ano may mga qualification dito ni Freedom Gig? Of course, the first one is you should have fluent and professional English communication skills, proactive with a strong desire to support and understand client needs. Next is naturally great at building rapport and connecting with people. Next is strong problem solving skills and attention to details. And lastly, committed to long term role with exceptional organizational abilities. So, paano ba kayo makakapag-apply dito? So, the application process is just simple. All you have to do is go to their website, which is www.thefreedomgig.com, explore or browse through their current job openings to find the position that matches your skills and career. Then after that, apply only for the position that match your qualifications. And of course, they will thoroughly review your application. So qualified candidate will be invited for initial interview and assessment skills. And one successful candidate, you will be forwarded for an interview with their clients where you will have the opportunity to showcase your ability directly to the potential employer. So the estimated salary here ranging from $5 to $7 per hour. Next, we have Outsource Access, an award winning company helping businesses grow by providing top notch virtual assistants. So, see, Outsource Access help businesses redefine how they can scale by providing highly skilled and cost effective virtual staff in the areas of sales, marketing, HR, customer service, operation, bookkeeping, admin task, and more. So, ano bang mga available position na ino-offer ni Outsource Access? So, they have digital marketing specialist, executive assistant, accounting and bookkeeping. Meron din silang accounting virtual staff, admin and reporting virtual staff. Meron din silang bookkeeper, business development VA, um, Chief Executive Assistant, Client Service Specialist, and Content Writer or SEO Specialist. So here are the benefits na pwede mong makuha dito sa company na to. They have HMO, meron din silang group life insurance benefits, And meron din silang virtual card, 'di ba? Virtual credit card. Paid leaves, meron ding mga government benefits. They also have 13-month salary, overtime pay, and night differential. So ano ba yung application process dito? So all you have to do is just same as the first company. All you have to do is just to go to their website, outsourceaccesscareer.com. Then you have to browse through their current job openings and find a position that match your skills. And then after that, you have to fill out the application form, and once submitted they will review it thoroughly, and once qualified ka na candidate, uh, they will invited you for a video interview and assessment. So after that, um, magkakaroon ng VA profile creation once nakapasa ka, then character reference, and you will be proceeding to matching stage wherein successful candidate will be forwarded for an interview with their potential client. And once you pass, you'll receive a job offer. All right? So, the estimated salary here na pwede mong ma-earn sa outsource access can vary depending on the role and position na in-applyan mo. So, nag-range siya from 36,000 to 80,000 pesos per month. Third on the list is MyOutDesk, a company with over 15 years of experience connecting businesses with top virtual talent. So si MyOutDesk empower businesses of all sizes to scale efficiently across various industries like real estate, healthcare, insurance, technology, and more. So ano bang mga open position na ino-offer dito ni MyOutDesk? So, isa na dyan yung accounting and bookkeeping VAs wherein they handle all aspect of clients' bookkeeping from ledgers to managing customer invoices. Next, we have support and customer service VAs wherein they handle customer inquiries, help desk tickets, and support tasks to ensure that clients' customers are fully satisfied. They also have marketing and design VA, wherein they tackle clients' online marketing, social media management, collateral development, video editing, and production. And lastly, they have also a general administrative VA, wherein it's mainly in charge in terms of client paperwork, customer support, and project management. And meron pa palang additional. There is also, meron din silang real estate admin VA, wherein mainly in charge of clients' paperwork and real estate construction. And lastly is the inside sales VA. So this is they're mainly responsible here is for calling up leads and being able to set them up for an appointment with a client. And then next we have is the benefits and qualification. So no experience or no degrees required here. Yun yung isa sa mga qualification ni My Outdesk. Paid time off. They also offer free maxi care, career growth, and competitive salary rate. You have also to check their minimum system requirement. Meron silang mga requirement for your processor, memory, and also for internet speed. It should be at least 10 Mbps and up. All right, so you have to check those information. And then, next is, paano ba kayo makakapag-apply dito? The application process here is applicants can apply to a list of growing positions or roles at My Outdesk. So each role's tasks are aimed towards helping their clients' businesses in US, okay, while working out of the comfort of your own home. So all you have to do is just to browse through their website in their current job openings, which is apply.myoutdesk.ph. And then you have to apply the position that match your requirement. And then you just have to fill out the application form and submit it. So once applicant passes, there would be an interview process and they will be invited once na pumasa ka sa interview process, you will be invited to a training course which covers the essential skills that you will be needing to learn in becoming my Outdesk virtual assistant. So the salary rate here nag-range siya from 46 thousand per month, or you can earn from $600 to $800. So depending on the position that you'll be applying. All right. Last but not the least, we have Magic. So si Magic help small businesses to grow their business. So by leveraging a dedicated and college educated assistant to fill a variety of roles. So they're grown to like 1,000 plus remote workers with strong venture backing from Secora Capital and other venture capital firms. They are fully remote across Asia and US time zone. So ano ba yung mga available position na ina-offer ni Magic? The first one we have here is Magic Assistant. This is perfect for newbies or wala pang mga experience. Next is live chat and support. So this is a non-voice job. Perfect to sa mga moms out there or mga introvert out there na ayaw ng mga call jobs, 'di ba? Next is executive VA. Ito naman yung mga para sa mga meron ng experience. Okay, next we have is benefits and qualifications. So, ano ba yung mga benefits na ina-offer? This is a 100% work from home setup. You must have a reliable internet connection and a quiet workspace. Required then to provide your own laptop or computer with Intel iCore or something similar or higher operating system. So yung working hours here from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST or Pacific Standard Time. So this is 40 hours per week and they have also competitive salary rate na ino-offer. Ano ba yung application process nila? So meron silang 6 stages for application. The first one is pre-qualifying. So you'll undergo either one of the three um, na pre-qualifying process. It's either video interview or skill based. This is a specific job test to sync your work knowledge and skills that are relevant to the job, or pwede ding cognitive based. These are the numerical comprehension, abstract reasoning, and other similar assessment that are app for job matching. So, sa pre-qualifying, it's either video interview or meron ding assessment. So, next with that would be initial interview. And then after that, meron silang second interview. Yung second interview, it will be conducted by your future direct manager. And then, once na nakapasa kayo, magpo-proceed na kayo sa final interview. And once nakapasa kayo, job offer, and then the last would be onboarding. So their HR team will work with you to complete a set of pre-employment requirements and get you acclimated to their new workplace. Okay? Okay, and then so the estimated salary here nag-range siya up to 70,000 pesos per month depending on the position na a-applyan mo. And there you have it guys, 4 amazing companies or website na nag-offer ng mga virtual assistant jobs or roles with or without experience. O diba? So which of these companies are you most excited to apply to? Thank you so much again for watching. I do hope that this video ay makatulong para mahanap yung perfect na job na gusto niyong applyan. You can also share this video to your families or friends na nangangailangan ng video na to para makapag-work mo din sila. Diba? So please don't forget to hit the like button and syempre subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong videos about online job tips and tutorials. Thank you! Bye!